Hi guys, welcome to Simple Math. This is the second video about central tendency measurements, right? So I will read the instruction first and then I will explain, okay? It says a bus stops 25 times on a journey. The table shows the number of people who get on the bus on each stop. So it says number of people, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It means the number of people on each or every time the bus stops. So no people in the first stop, the frequency is 1. So that's the first one. In the first, so one people, in the next stop, one people, so just one person arrives to the bus, the frequency is 6. It means so that the number 1 is repeated 6 times. So the number 2 is repeated 7 times, number 3 is repeated 4 times, the 4 is repeated 5 times, and the 5 is repeated twice. So it means, for example, in the first stop, just 6 people, because the table is saying that 6 people, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, is in the first stop. 2 people is 7 times, so 14 people in the second one, and so on, okay? So let's begin with the explanation because I have to calculate the mean, the mode, the median, and the range. So you're welcome. Okay, the first step is to calculate the mean. What is mean? Mean is the same than average. To calculate the average, we need to add all the numbers and then divide by the numbers we have. So my suggestion is take the chart and then write all the numbers like in the same line. So for example, the 0 is 1. So I'm going to write a 0 here because it's ones. Yes. Then the number 1 is repeated 6 times. The number 1 is repeated 6 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 2 is 7 times. So I'm going to write it 7 times. 1, 2, 3. Sorry, it's the number 2, not the number 7. Sorry. Is the number 2. I'm going to write the number 2 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Now I'm going to write the number 3. How many times? 4. 1, 2, 3, and 4. 4 times. Now I'm going to write the number 4 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times. Now I'm going to write the number 5 2 times. 5 and 5. So remember, we're getting the mean, which is the same than average. So we need to add all of them. How do we add? You can do it manually, like 0 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. Or you can use the chart, yes, to get the final result. So if the 0 is 1 time, it counts like a 0. The number 1 is repeated 6 times. So 1 times 6, 6. So 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 6. So we will do the same thing with all. The number 7, the number 2. So 2 plus 2 plus 2 plus 2, 7 times, so on. Yes, it's like the same that we have 2 times 7, which is 14. Okay? So the number 3, 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3 is the same than 3 times 4, which is 12. Yes. And the number 4, 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 plus 4 is the same than 4 times 5, which is 20. And the number 5, 2 times, is 5 plus 5, 10, which is the same than 5 times 2, 10. So now it's time to add all of them, because that is the first step when we are going to get the mean. We need to add all of them. So 0, yes, plus 6, plus 14, plus 12, plus 14, plus 12, plus 20, plus 20, plus 10 is the same than 62. So we take the 62 and then we divide by the numbers, the total of numbers we have. How many total numbers we have? So how many numbers do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25. Actually, we have 25 numbers. So 62 divided 25. 62 divided 25 is equal to 2.48. 2.48. So we can leave it like 2.48 or 2.5 rounded. Okay? So what is the mean? 2.48. And that's the way we calculate the mean. Now, the mode is the most repeated number. In this case, is the number 2, because the number 2 is repeated 7 times. So the mode is the number 7. To calculate the median, we need to organize everything. I will repeat it. So I will solve the median at the end for you to understand a better way. And then the range. This is something very easy because it's the biggest number minus the smallest. Which is the biggest number? The biggest number is 5, and the smallest number is 0. So 5 minus 0, 5 minus 0 equals 5. Yes, so the range is 5. Now I'm going to explain how to calculate the median. Yes, so I don't need this anymore. I'm going to teach you how to calculate the median. For me, is the most interesting measurement that we can calculate. Okay? I'm going to explain step by step how to calculate the median. The median. I did it in the previous video, but I will do it again. So let's calculate the median. So I'm going to organize the numbers from the smallest to the biggest, the lowest to the biggest. So I'm going to organize these numbers. So first the 0, then the number 1. Remember, the number 1 is repeated 6 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The number 2 is repeated 7 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. The number 3 is repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then the number 4 is repeated 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Sorry, I'm writing the number 5. It's not the number 5, it's the number 4. The number 4 is repeated 5 times. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Number 4 is repeated 5 times, and the number 5 is repeated 2 times. So I'm going to write it twice. Okay? Now I'm going to cancel or delete one number in the left and one number in the corner. So one number in the left, one number in the right. Left, right. One in the left, one in the right. Left, 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 right. So the median is the number 2. Yes, because it's in the center. So what is the median? The number 2. That's the way we calculate the mean, mode, median, and the range of a distribution of no grouped data. All right, guys? I appreciate you stay the whole video here. Thanks for watching Simple Math, and see you in the last video, which is going to be the next one. Okay? So you're welcome, and I invite you to watch it. See you in the next video. Bye-bye.